Flows are a truly easy way to exchange data with your favorite sales systems and even automate the data exchange. In Paperbucket, flows are simple. You can either send data or you can retrieve data. When you send data, you can send data through an API or you can send it direct to a partner. When you retrieve data, you can get data from an API, as we have here, or you can extract the data directly to yourself. In the first page, in the flow, you have the flows that you have already created. When you click one flow, you can actually, it will opens up the second part here, which is the automated flow details. The third tab is the quick send, which I will explain in just a moment. Let's create a new flow. I click the button. Flow. Let's give it a name. Let's call it test 5. I click next. Now the first thing the system asks is if this flow is a send or a get flow. I want to send new lead lists to a partner, so I click send to partner. I will also select get from integration. It's from integrations that I have, send to an API, or export to Excel. But in this tutorial, I just send to a partner. I click next. I select the partner from my partner list, and this is the partner that I select, Alpha 99. I click next. I select the bucket that my partner has created for me. It is a test bucket. Note an important thing here, it is before you can send data to a partner, the partner has to create a bucket for you to send data into. So I select the bucket here. The next part here, it is what to send. I select, you can have different kind of divisions. I have this division here, and I select the segment. I just select channel test. Send when. Send when is when you want to send these leads or lists of leads. You can either select the time interval. It is if you want to automate a flow, or a new entry. A new entry is basically that you click the button manually. So it's nothing, you don't want to send it, for example, every week, but it is when you want to send the data. In this case here, I want to send it each day. So I click time interval. And I select that it should be daily. And the next part here is I select the template. Now, what is a template? A template, it is maybe you don't want to send all the columns that you have. Maybe you only want to send your name and the email and the telephone number, but not all other kinds of data to your partner. The template is simply just a collection of columns that you want to use. If you can either use the templates that you have, or you can create a new template. In this case here, I select 9-column template that I have created. A stop list. A stop list, it is if you have a list where you are sure that to be sure that you don't have any kind of leads that's on this list here. You can select an import list, a segment, or nothing. In this case here, I just skip the stop list. And the time stop, this is the last part here before we have created a flow. It is if you, for example, have the same leads that for some reason you get the same leads each day or each second day, and you don't want to send the same leads twice, then you can use a time stop. So you can say, for example, I don't want to send my partner the same leads that has been in the flow for the last 10 days or 100 days, for example. And then you select the column. And what is the column? It is, I don't want to send the data that has been in the column, let's say email 1 or phone. Let's take the phone. Normally, if you send to a dialer, you don't want to send data that has been you don't want to send the same phone numbers. And you create done, and then you're actually done. Let's see how it looks like here. This is how it looks when you have created the flow here. So we have this test 5. We send to a partner, add to a bucket, and notice what happened here. We were automatically moved to the details here, and you can either select to to click the save button here, or you can make some changes if you want to. It's pretty simple. The last part here, max leads to transfer. It is if you only want to transfer, let's say 100 leads a time. Let's say you have a segment and this segment has 1,000,000 leads. Maybe you don't want to send 1,000,000 leads, you only want to send 1,000 each day. Then you can do this. It is pretty smart, for example, also when you have something to do with dialers. This is how to use a flow. The quick send, it is almost the same thing as a flow here, but it's a bit smarter. The quick send is if you don't want to create a new flow, but you just want to send a list of data to either a partner to an API fast, then you use the quick send. The first thing you do is that you click the leads or select the leads that you want to send. Maybe it's a bucket. We have different kind of buckets here. I just click a bucket and I count how many leads we have. We have 1,500 leads in this bucket. I want to send this bucket of leads here. I select the receiver. In this case, I select the partner. And I select alpha test 99. And I have the same test buckets here. If I click the button here, I will go to the partners page. The columns to send, you can either use one of your templates, or if you don't want to create a new template, you simply just click and highlight the different kind of columns that you want to send. Time stop, yes, let's use the time stop. I don't want the data to I don't want to send the same leads if they're within 100 dates, and we use the telephone number for this thing here. Do I have a stop list? No, I don't have a stop list here. I can either just select the stop list here, it could be a segment or import list or a bucket, or I can simply just create it on my own. Max leads to transfer, I want to transfer all. Now, if I click transfer now, I will send it to a partner. I will not do it here in this in this tutorial. And then I could just send them right away here without creating a flow. This is how easy and how simple it is to create new flows. Thank you for watching.